Hello. Welcome back to Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. Ooh, y'all, I am back 12 hours later with this flexi rod set. And oh my goodness, I still feel damp in certain areas. But I'm going to go ahead and take these flexi rods out now because I have to get ready to go to work. It's really early in the morning. And yeah. I have to see what's what and go with this. So wish me luck with these curls because if they are not dry, I don't really know what I'm about to do, and they are not dry. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, look at the curl. It's a curl. Oh my God, so what I'm gonna do, like just let the curls dangle like that? They still wet though. If I don't disturb them too much. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, I was going to put, I was going to put some oil on them, but I feel like if I do that, then that means I'm going to be disturbing the curl pattern. Oh my gosh. What these look here about to look like? Oh my God. Ooh, it's wet. I should have did this a day ahead of time because I let my hair air dry. Oh my goodness, look at this. I let my hair air dry. That is so wet. Look. They would be so nice and pretty. Some really pretty curls if they could get really dry. So this is a fail. This is an epic fail. Oh, flexi rod curls gone wrong, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, so really wet here. But yeah, trying to let my hair air dry. Y'all, it was really 12 hours. And I recorded myself rolling my hair, putting the flexi rods in. But I don't know if I'm going to merge these two videos together or be separate videos. So if this is a separate video, go back and see part one. Oh my goodness. Go see the technique I used. Oh my gosh. I mean, I have curls, but it's, look, you can tell where it's wet at because it's real swole. Take this side out. So what can I do with my hair? Look how long my hair is, y'all. I'm on the journey to waist length. Oh, honey, that is really not dry. You can tell the difference. I'm on the journey to waist length hair. I gotta hurry up so I can get out of here on time, so I can be to work on time. It's so wet, oh my God. Oh my God, it's so wet. Okay, let's take these ones out. Look how pretty that one is. Oh, I have, the ones that's dry is really pretty. But the fail is the ones that are not dry. Like this one in the roots is not dry. Oh my gosh. Really stretches the hair nicely. That's, if you really want to stretch your natural texture hair, because I am in the 4 type hair between 4B, 4C. If you know the breakdown of textured hair typing, it goes from straight, wavy, curly, coily, and I'm in the coily type hair, 4 type. Not in the 1s, not in the 2s, not in the 3s. I am in the 4s. These are 4A, 4B, 4C. So it really has stretched my hair because shrinkage is real. Oh, look how wet that is. Oh my God. Oh my God, what am I doing with my hair this morning? Oh, okay. I got up and had me a nice breakfast this morning. I did me some pancakes. Well, I only made one nice size pancake. A couple pieces of bacon in the air fryer. Made me a caramel latte. Yeah, pretty good. Ooh, y'all, the ones that's curled are pretty. Need to try this again. Give myself a little more time to dry. Should have did this a day ahead of time. I have a new class coming in today. I'm shifting into a new position at work. So I'm gonna be working with some new students that are coming in, and goodness gracious, first impressions, you know what I'm saying? I wanted my hair to be cute today. Could have just went with my normal, but I wanted something different. Not just for that, but just because I wanted to try something different. Oh gosh, let's see. What should I do? Oh my God. Anywhere you see it swole looking like that, that's where it's still damp or wet at. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Ooh, it's so long. My hair's so long. Ooh, get long hair, be like, what you gonna do with it now? So now, it's the last roller. Ooh. Oh, I'm confused. It's the last roller. Ooh, what is up with that? Oh, it's really big. Okay. Now I got these little bands, because I ran out of flexi rods too. If I would have had more, I could have took smaller sections, which would have been really dry, a lot drier. So that makes a difference for one. But I ran out of, only had 2 packs of flexi rods. 12 in a pack. Do the math. 24. I guess I could have mixed something. Ooh. Oh my God, why is my curl stuck in here? Oh my God. Y'all gonna pay the rush. But yeah, I probably could have mixed like some, in my hair. Probably could have mixed some perm rods in there somewhere for some of the curls, but anyway. Flexi rods gone wrong. This is a bill. Okay, anyway, this is the result all the way around. So now how can I style it? Should I just pull my hair up? I mean, since most of the curls is in the top. Oh God, hold on a minute. Okay, this is the plan. I'm gonna pull it up in the high, like pineapple puff or something, and see how that goes. Y'all bought this new Edge, Kiss Colors Care Edge Fixer, 24-hour max hold, strawberry. So, ooh, this is no good. But yeah, this will be my first time trying this. Got it at Kroger's. They had this little size on sale for $2.99. So I'm gonna try that. So anyway, I think I'll pull it up. And yeah, I'm gonna use my brush. Brush it up high on my head. Oh my goodness. So let's see. The ones that are a little more curly, maybe I can leave those out. And the ones that are still really damp. I don't know. What should I do? Or should I put them all up? Or should I put them all up and make it sleek? Some up, some down. Okay, anything that's too wet, I feel like put it up. Anything that's, oops, don't make it frizzy though. That's the plan. I'm gonna stay in the frame here. Sweep my edges a little bit. Lock in some shine. I think it's cute. It's probably still gonna be cute. Oh my goodness. Cross my fingers. Cross your fingers. I still feel like I need to. See, this is normally what I do. I take one of these scrunchies and I just cut it in half, cut it, and then I just use this and tie it around my hair. It's gonna work out. Take that one the other way. And then I'm gonna tie it to the front. To the front like this. I keep looking in the mirror too. To this side. Oh my gosh. This is a job. Jesus. It's a job, honey. Oh my. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Then my hair frizzy right there. No, I don't like my hair frizzy. Not around my edges. I like a sleek look around my edges. But if I put it up, I like to have it looking sleek. So that's coming from the puff, okay. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of this. Go into here. A little bit of this edge fixer. Put it here. Could let them dry a little longer. I do not put any heat on my hair, so that air dry in time. I'm like, maybe I should just get in the car, turn on the heat since it's a little chilly outside, and let them dry the rest of the way before I decide if I will separate. Okay, so now let me see. I mean, it don't look the worst. You know what I'm saying? It don't look the worst. Should I have put that up too? I mean, whatever. It is what it is. I think I'll play with it a little more when I get to work. Give it a little more dry time. Put me together, honey. Ooh, it's still cute. Oh, okay, I gotta go. I mean, I could even like put this up a little more in here. It's like a little updo, kind of like, you know what I'm saying? That's what this is giving, a little updo. All right, thanks for watching. I am Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. This has been a flexi rod set epic fail. It has gone wrong, but I will survive. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune back in for more of my videos. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Good morning. Y'all, this is the results from my hair, from my flexi rod set. I would call it an epic fail because if you cannot see it, I had to pull it up in like a little puff on top, like a little, I don't know, it's a cute little style really, but it didn't turn out, it didn't dry enough, put it like that. So there was so many wet spots in there still, damp spots. So the curls that dried for the most part, I just let those hang down. Put the other ones up into a little, if you can see that, on top of my head. And that's what it is for today. So anyway, happy Monday. Have a great day. Be blessed and be safe.